we have on October 10, morning, we have magnitude 7.4, and then sa gabi, we have magnitude 6.8. So, the same magnitudes. Again, ang term natin dito is doublet. They are distinct earthquakes. This is a distinct. This is not an aftershock. This is a distinct event. Again, ang tawag natin dito would be doublet. This means that these are two closely timed quakes happening nearby. So this is not the first time na nangyari po ito along the Philippine Trench.